Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? Have you downloaded and installed the MySejahtera app? MySejahtera app is developed by the government of Malaysia to assist in managing the COVID-19 outbreaks in the country. It is owned and operated by the government of Malaysia, and it is administered by MO and assisted by NSC and Mampu. The government assures that your personal information will only be used for the purpose of managing and mitigating COVID-19 outbreak. It will not be shared to any other party. The information of all COVID-19 patients is protected under the confidentiality of medical records. The app is free and developed to run on an Android or iOS smartphone. To encourage people to use the apps, PM announced that the government will credit Rm50 into their e-Wallet accounts after they downloaded the app. So today I will share with you how to claim the Rm50 with registering the MySejahtera app. Let's start now. Thanks all who support my channels. This is a non-sponsored clip. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. First, download MySejahtera from Google Play Store. Make sure the app is developed by Government of Malaysia. Open the app after the install completed. First, you have to register, either by cell phone number or email. For this tutorial, I will log in via email. After login, you will read some of the announcement which related to COVID-19. Before we start to use the app, we have to update our risk status first. Tap the Start button to start to answer the questionnaire. There are 5 questions in the questionnaire. Please answer the question honestly. Once completed, tap the Submit button to proceed. The second tab is the statistic, here listing all COVID-19 updates, locally and internationally. The third tab is Check-in. This function is for us to scan the QR code which publishes at every shop that we go in. Tap the check-in button to initial the QR code scanner. Only valid QR code is allowed. Like this. In the latest announcement, the incentive Rm50 will be credited to the e-Wallet, only for those who have installed and registered the app. And the incentive will be given starting from July 2020. We end here today. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.